Hello everybody, today I'm at Bangkok. I'm walking towards the asok direction. This is Nana and I will see interesting shops and people along the way. So let's get started, man. Look at that, lots of tailor shop and Nana. Very bustling area. This is like kind of the city area of the Bangkok. But it's also known for its pubbing areas. Lots of piggy banks still here. Lots of cheap massage everywhere. 1 hour is about like 300 baht, man. And also pharmacy. Very coconut as well. And drinks. Thing about walking the streets, you can find a lot of like street food, in Thailand. Wow, what is this, man? Fried banana balls. And this drink. This is Sukhumvit Plaza. Wow, there's SW1 market right here, man. Concert Lucky Draw. People sell second hand. Grand Sheraton. Sheraton Grand Sukhumvit. 5-star hotel. And we've arrived at the Asok BTS already. And there's a university student of Bangkok. Opposite, there's popular mall called Terminal 21. Lots of shopping and makan over there. And then this is Asok BTS. So in front of me, very colorful, the Terminal 21 mall, man. And we're walking towards the Sukhumvit MRT direction. Over there are more stuff to explore along the Asok Montreal area. There's even a hotel, Grand Center Point Hotel Terminal right one. Terminal 21 right here. It's a 5-star hotel. Many condos. Wow. It's not a weekday, right? Bangkok is still full of people, you'll be surprised to see what Bangkok has to offer besides the street food. In terms of shopping, the people, the culture, and also lots of stuff. Go back to Asok, man, on the opposite side of Terminal 21. Sukhumvit MRT is here. And this way leads to another pub street called Soy Convoy. Nice burger store, SNAX. I wonder the red plate, is it off-peak car or something? There's a white plate and red plate of the car. And this place is actually Asok Place already. This is our first time exploring here. I'm not sure what to expect. Lots of shops. Look at the astronaut. CHOWW. I think it's a restaurant. Wow. There's a bank, there's a flash on it. This is Tekon Tower. Shopping restaurant. It's a bit, wow, like Chinatown already. No, Asok Montreal. This is like a bit of Chinatown vibes. Oh, there's a very cute shop here, Mr. Pao Mala Tang, man. Look at this. Wow. Japanese izakaya right here, man. There's sushi, sashimi, rice bowl. The current Thai king, the portrait, the Thai people respect them. Respect the king and queen very much. So this is, I'm not sure, this place, one premium. Seems to be a mall here. And there's a Grand Park View Asok there and Asok Plaza. This place, a premium place, something it looks like a condo. Wow, I came across this cool building. Lots of like decoration for the fronts. Interesting.